Good morning, students. Here, similar triangles 8 chapter up to question number 5 is over. Now today I am going to explain question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. In this question it is in the given figure QE is a parallel to QE is a DE is a parallel to DE is a parallel to QO and DF is a parallel to OR. Show that EF is a parallel to QR. In the given figure, question it is what? In the given figure, this figure I will give in examination. In this, DE is a parallel to QO. Already the symbols is there, now these two are parallel. And DA is a parallel to a OR. You have to show EF is a parallel to QR. Now solution. In the given figure, in a triangle PQR, ED is a parallel to QO and DF is a parallel to OR. It is given. Next, in POQ, this is a triangle. Once again you see POQ, this triangle. I am considering first. ED is a parallel to OQ. ED is a parallel to OQ. These two are parallel. In a triangle, a line is a parallel to one side of a triangle. It divides the other two sides in the same ratio. PE by ED is equal to PE by EQ is equal to PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO from BPD. Similarly, you take this triangle. This is a parallel to this. Already is there. In these two triangles, why I am taking these two triangles means PO is a common. In this triangle is there, in this triangle is there. This ratio PD by DO you will get common ratio. These two, in this triangle, DF is a parallel to OR. Here from BPD, PD by DO is equal to same. PD by DO is equal to PE by FR. PF by FR. PF by FR is equal to PD by DO. PD by DO from BPD. From equation 1 and equation 2, here PD by DO is equal to PD by DO. Here PE by ER. PE by ER. PE by ER and PF by FR. From 1 and 2, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. In a triangle PQR, whole triangle. This is a PQR. In this triangle, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. EF is a one line. In a triangle, a line is drawn which is divide the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. It is a parallel to third side. It is a converse BPT. EF is equal to QR. From converse BPT, these two lines are parallel. Hence proved. Next we will go to a question number 7. Question number 7. You see question number 7 it is in the adjacent figure. This is a adjacent figure. In the adjacent figure, ABC. Here ABC 3 points on PO and OQ OR. OP is a one line, OQ is a one line, OR is a one line. On these 3 points, A, B, C are 3 points. ABC are 3 points, and here AB is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to QR. It is given in the problem only. In adjacent figure, A, B, C are 3 points on OP and OQ and OR respectively, such that AB parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to PR. Hence, show that BC is parallel to QR. We have to show BC is parallel to QR. In a triangle, in this, here these two triangles here in this triangle you see POQ and POR, these two triangles. In these two triangles, PO is a common side. Common side. Here in this triangle you consider first this triangle POQ triangle and you consider POR one triangle. Second. Next in this AB is a parallel to PQ. AB is a parallel to PQ. First step you see. In a triangle POQ, AB is a parallel to PQ. PA by AO is equal to QB by BO from BP. In a second case, you consider this triangle POR. In this, AC is a parallel to PR already given in a problem only. So, PA by AO is equal to PA by AO is equal to here what RC by CO from BP. In these two equations, here LHS are equal, PA by AO. So these two are equal. QB by BO is equal to RC by CO. Here in diagram you see QB by BO is equal to RC by CO. This is, you consider this triangle OQR triangle. In this, QB by BO is equal to RC by CO. A line is divide the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. It is a parallel to third side. BC is a parallel to QR from converse BPD. Here one more question. It is a question number 8 in 8.1 exercise. It is a similar to a example 4. Example 4. You see, in a trapezium ABCD in a trapezium question, AB parallel to CD, AC and BD are two diagonals. They are intersects at O. You show that AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. That is a question. Once again I repeat in a solution. In a triangle, in a trapezium, not a triangle, sorry. In a trapezium, A, B, C, D, in a trapezium, two sides are parallel in trapezium. AB is parallel to CD. Next, AC and BD are diagonals. You already know. They are intersects at O is given. You have to show that is what already AO by OC is equal to BO by BD. This is it. You draw a line X line, this line through O. It is a construction. It intersects AD at X. Next, it is a parallel to AB. You draw a line, it's a parallel to AB. You take a triangle, this is ABD triangle. In a triangle ABD, OX is a parallel to AB. Already from construction, we are constructed. It divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So AX by XD is equal to BO by OD. Over. It is a equation 1. Next, you take a triangle ADC. In this, XO is a parallel to CD. Why? Already AB is a parallel to CD is given. It is a parallel to this. So it is a parallel to this. It is a given. So it is a parallel to AB by construction. So it is a parallel to CD also. Here in this triangle it divides the same ratio. So AX by XD is equal to AO by OC. AO by OC. Here from these two equations, AX by XD it is LHS equal. So BO by OD is equal to BO by OD is equal to AO by OC. It is a you have to prove. Hence prove. You have finished 8.1 exercise. Thank you.